Yes, good morning NJNDA students. Welcoming all of you here in our SST class. It is Monday today, and as you already know that we have to discuss geography. Okay, so let's start geography. In our previous classes, we have already started chapter number 1, and that is India's size and location. In this chapter, we have discussed that what is the location of India and what is the size of India. And today we have to discuss this topic, which is India, the world. That means we will discuss about India and with reference to the world. But let's recall the topics first, which we have discussed already. That in the size of India, first of all, let's recall the location of India. So suppose that if this is the earth and this is equator, this is prime meridian, so India is here. That means we can say that the location of India is in northeastern hemisphere. Okay, this is north, this is east, so this will be northeastern hemisphere. So the location of India is in northeastern hemisphere, which lies in Asian continent. Okay, and the extent, latitudinal extent, the longitudinal extent we have discussed. After that, the size of India. So India, the area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, and the length, okay, the length from Jammu Kashmir to, you can say, to Kerala or Tamil Nadu, okay, and that is 3114 kilometer, and the width from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, you can say, that is 2933 kilometer. This was the short reference of this size of India and the location of India. But today we are going to discuss that India and the world. So first of all, you already know that we have discussed this already. In India, in the world, India has the 7th position, okay, in the size of, in the condition of area. India is the 7th largest country of the world. Before this, we have discussed we have discussed Russia, Canada, America, then China, Brazil, Australia, and then in the 7th position there is India. And now, so this was the area of India with reference to the world. And now we have to discuss that how India is connected to the world. Okay, India and the world. In this topic, we will discuss that how India is connected to the world. So first of all, you can see, guys, this. The southern part of India, you can see the Deccan Plateau, okay, the peninsular region of India. Peninsular region, why? Because this southern part of India, okay, covers water from 3 sides, okay, that's why we can say that this is a peninsula. What is an island? An island is a piece of land which covers from water from all 4 directions. And what is a peninsula? Peninsula is a landmass which covered by water from 3 sides only. 3 sides peninsula, and all 4 directions that will be island. So this is the southern part of India, which is known as Indian Peninsular region. The peninsular part of India, you can say, this lies in the Indian Ocean. Okay, this is Asia. You can say this is Asian continent. This is Asian continent. Okay, and as you can see, this, the southern part of India lies in the Indian Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. Okay, both sides, Indian Ocean. Here Bay of Bengal, the part of Indian Ocean, and here the Arabian Sea, which is also the part of Indian Ocean. So as you can see, this, the southernmost part of India, which is looking like a tail of Asian continent, is lie in the Indian Ocean. Okay, और इस टेल की वजह से इंडिया को दूसरे कंट्रीज, जो एशिया में दूसरे कंट्रीज हैं, दूसरे एशियन कंट्रीज हैं, उनके कंपैरिजन में इसको ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट मिलता है. Why? Because look, these are Western Ghats, these are Eastern Ghats. Okay, these Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, these help India to connect with the other part of Asian and Eurasian countries. Okay, as you can see here, this is the western coastal region of India, and from here there are so many ways to go to the Western Asia or to the Europe also. So this will help India to connect the western part of the Asia, and this side, this helps us to go other regions like from Eastern Ghat we can go directly to the Myanmar, Bangladesh, just in the neighboring. Okay, so these Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats help India to connect with the other part of South Asian countries and the European countries. And from this side, as you already know, that Vasco da Gama has come to Kerala Calicut from Western Ghats to the Western Ghat from this west side of India. The most important thing is the area of the India to the comparison to world, that is 7th largest country, and I have given you a mnemonic to learn this in the last class, that was, this is Lakshadweep, this is the island group of India, and this is the Andaman Nicobar, this is island group of India also. In the last class I have given you like rat, cat under the table area, under the cupboard area. Okay, under the cupboard area. Rat, R means Russia, C means Canada, U means USA, C means China, and B means Brazil, A means Australia. Okay, these are the 6 larger countries than India, and after that on the 7th position there is India with 3.28 million square kilometer area, okay, which covers exactly 2.4% of the world. So this was India with reference to the world, and now we will discuss that the neighbor countries of India. So what are these neighbor countries? Let's discuss them also. Okay, for discussing the neighbor countries of India, this is Lakshadweep. Fine. I have already discussed in the previous class when we were discussing about the size and location of India. I have told you that here is Pakistan. Okay, after that a small portion of Afghanistan, small border of Afghanistan is also here, and then here is China, this is Nepal, this is Bhutan, okay, this is Bangladesh, and this is Myanmar. Okay, here a small island is here also, that is known as Sri Lanka. Okay, that is Sri Lanka. So let's find out the neighbor countries of India. As you can see that this is the west direction, this is east direction, this is north, and this is south. Okay, and one more country is here, Maldives. Maldives is here. Okay, wait a second, let me make it properly. Okay, fine. Here is Maldives. Now look, let's find out the neighbor countries of India. So first of all, the countries which are on the land boundaries of India are, from west there is Pakistan, and then Afghanistan. In the north direction, after that China, and in the northeast you can say Nepal, Bhutan. Completely in the east direction there is Myanmar, then Bangladesh. These are the countries which have land boundaries with India, and after that the 2 countries are also here, like here Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, you can say that is situated in the southeast direction of India, that is an island. Okay, and in the southwest direction of India there is Maldives. Okay, in the south direction of Lakshadweep, this is the Lakshadweep island. This is the Lakshadweep island, okay, which is ruled by India, and in the south direction of this Lakshadweep there is Maldives. And now let's find it out. in the northwest, how many countries are there? You can say in the northwest there are Pakistan. After that there is Afghanistan. And then in the north direction or northeast, you can say, there is China, Nepal and Bhutan. Fine. And then in the east direction, two countries are there in the east direction, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Myanmar and Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh and Myanmar are in the east direction, and in the southeast direction, and southwest direction. Look, in the southeast direction there is Sri Lanka, and in the southwest there is Maldives. Okay, Maldives is here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, these 7 countries have the land boundaries with India, and this Sri Lanka and Maldives has the water boundaries with India. Look, this Sri Lanka, between this Sri Lanka and India there is water. Okay, and this is a strait which is known as Palk Strait. So you can say that Palk Strait separates Sri Lanka from India. This, one second, let me find this. This Palk Strait. Okay, a narrow piece of water which separates Sri Lanka from India is known as Palk Strait. Fine. And this Maldives is here in the south direction of Lakshadweep. These are the neighbor countries of India, okay, with the land boundaries and with the water boundaries. I hope all these are clear. In the next class we will discuss all these countries with the help of a world map, and then in the next class also we will start our exercises. For that time, thank you and Jai Hind. I hope this all topics are clear to you today. So let's recall it first, and then we will close the class. So today we have discussed India and the world. And India and the world, this topic we have to discuss that how India is connected to the other part of the world. So as you can see that this Western Ghat and this Eastern Ghat lie in the Indian Ocean, which help India to connect to the other part of the Asian countries, and also to the European countries, and also to the North Africa, because North Africa lies here approximately. So this, from the Western Ghat of India, we can connect with the North Africa, western part of Asia, southwestern part of Asia, and also with Europe. And in the Eastern Ghats, from the Eastern Ghats, India can connect with Bangladesh, Myanmar, Singapore and Indonesia also. Okay, so these help India so much to connect to the other countries of the world. And then we have discussed that the neighbor countries of India. Let me write it here. Okay. Neighbors of India. Okay, so then we have discussed neighbors of India, and in this topic we have discussed first that how many countries connect with the land boundaries of India. So in the northeast direction there is Pakistan, Afghanistan. In the north direction you can say there is China. In the northeast direction there is Nepal, Bhutan. In the east direction there is Myanmar, Bangladesh. And in the southeast direction there is Sri Lanka, and southwest direction there is Maldives. Two more important factors are also here. This Afghanistan is connected with India with a very small land boundary, you can say this, and while Bangladesh connected with India with a long boundary. If suppose that this all blue line is the land boundary of Bangladesh with India, and this blue line is the boundary of Afghanistan with India. The boundary of Afghanistan is with India is the smallest boundary. Okay, Afghanistan has the smallest boundary with India, while the Bangladesh has the longest boundary with India. These 2 points are very important. That बांग्लादेश की बाउंड्री इंडिया के साथ सबसे बड़ी बाउंड्री है. दैट मीन्स इंडिया के नेबर कंट्रीज में हम कह सकते हैं कि बांग्लादेश की जो बाउंड्री है इंडिया के साथ वो सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी है, जबकि अफगानिस्तान की लैंड बाउंड्री इंडिया के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा छोटी है. सो द लॉन्गेस्ट इज बांग्लादेश एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट इज अफगानिस्तान. दीज टू आर very important. And in the next class we will discuss the exercises, and also we will discuss the topic of cancer and the standard time meridian of India. For that time guys, thank you and Jai Hind. Take care.